To create this model, just like the previous sessions, I look at the model from the top view and create this sketch. I will also apply the fillets at the end of the process. So I enter the sketch on the top plane. I place my origin here and start drawing this sketch. The dimensions are 60 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and 30 millimeters. I extrude the sketch by 10 millimeters. So without exiting the sketch, I go to the Features tab and select the Extruded Boss command, and I extrude the sketch by 10 millimeters. Now, to create this part of the model, I enter the sketch on this face. I go normal to the face and draw this sketch profile. The height is 40 millimeters, with thicknesses of 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters, and another 10 millimeters. And this dimension here is 20 millimeters. I start drawing the sketch from this point. I make sure to close my sketch profile. Remember, to use the Extruded Boss command, we must always draw a closed sketch. A length of 20 millimeters and 20 millimeters. A thickness of 10 millimeters and 10 millimeters. And a total height of 40 millimeters. The sketch is turned fully defined. I extrude the sketch profile by 10 millimeters. Again, within the sketch, without exiting, I go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss command to add volume by 10 millimeters. In this direction. To create this final part, I simply create the sketch on the back face, and I extrude it to a thickness of 10 millimeters, connecting all the corners to the faces to create a closed sketch profile. I enter the sketch on this face. I start drawing from this corner point. This means this point will be coincident with this line. Up to this point, which is also coincident. And coincident with this point, back to the start. The sketch automatically appears as fully defined. From the Features tab, I select the Extruded Boss command to add volume by 10 millimeters in this direction. Finally, I apply the 10 millimeter fillets to the model. I select the Fillet tool, set the radius to 10 millimeters, and pick this edge, and this edge. And that is how we complete the model.